Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan karir mod Sassuolo ya. Dan di episode sebelumnya saya telah bernegosiasi dengan Newcastle untuk merekrut William Ossola. Cuman gagal ya di negosiasi gaji dan kita akan coba lagi. Dia tuh market value-nya 8,5 juta. Mungkin kita bisa negosiasi ke lebih rendah lah. Karena dia juga pastinya bukan pemain inti kan di situ. Oke, kita bikin mungkin 6 juta penawaran pertama kita. Apakah diterima? Anjir, dia minta Circati dong. Enggak, Pak. Saya masih sangat membutuhkan pemain ini. Dimana bisa mengcover JJS ya selama JJS cedera. Oke, 62. Kita bisa turunkan lagi nih harusnya. 6, tetap 6, Pak. Saya prefernya itu. Oke, diterima. Oleh bukan Eddie Howe itu ya. Oke, ini dia kita negosiasi gaji dengan pemain dan agentnya. Kemarin tuh saya nawarin cukup sangat rendah ya Pak ya, 35 juta euro. Sekarang kita naikkan lah, mungkin di 40-50 dapat lah itu. Dan kontrak 5 tahun tentunya. Gak usah rilis close. Oke, kita kasih dulu 45 penawaran pertama. Apakah diterima? Oke, dia minta 52 juta euro per pekan dengan signing bonus 450. Oke, kita bisa naikkan segini ya. William Ossola, I need your answer. Yes. Yes katanya. Oke. Welcome to Sassuolo, William Ossola. Striker baru kita. Dan total kita punya 3 striker ya. Dengan ya bisa Berardi dengan 1 backup. Berardi juga bisa main di striker, cuma saya akan lebih kemungkinan akan saya pakai di winger kanan ya, menggantikan Sikun yang tidak bisa tampil selama 6 bulan ini. Maksudnya penampilan Sikun kurang memuaskan lah. Oke, Ossola akan menggunakan nomor 9 di Sassuolo. Anjir, tinggi juga Pak. 6'3" itu kayaknya. Oke, William Ossola from Newcastle to Sassuolo dengan budget 6 juta euro. Oke, rating A ya. And best possible deal berapa? 5,5 tentunya. Oke, kita lihat dulu squad-squad kita. Tim manajemen kita bisa masukkan dia di situ ya. Oke. Yes, habis itu kita squad hub. Mana dia? Ossola 6'4" Pak. Pantas saja tinggi ya. Oke, bentar. Development, oke, dia mentok sprint pace-nya mentok ya. Oke, kita mungkin akan kembangkan dia di advance forward ya untuk meningkatkan skill shootingnya. Tapi apakah dia punya playstyle? Oh, nggak punya Pak. Oke, no problem. Dan untuk selanjutnya, oke. 10 jam ya menuju closing transfer window. Oke, tawaran untuk Marti, Nicolas Marti. 630 itu 800 bisa sih harusnya, 800 ke atas lah. $430 jangan 420 bisa kah? Anjir, 630 Pak. Oke, 800 lah. Kalau nggak mau sorry aja ya. Oke, diterima. 800.000 euro. Nicolas Marti. Kita advance Falcone dari Lecce ke Atalanta rumor. Oke, ada 3 penawaran. Anjir. Si Osula baru dibeli langsung di loan pak, 2 tahun. Doik enggak lah ya. Enggak. Terus Osula jelas enggak. Nah, si Greco ini bisa lah, tapi bukan loan to buy ya, cuman loan aja. Karena biar pemain ini berkembang lah. Komo nggak mau? Anjir, pelatihnya udah ganti pak, bukan Fabregas lagi ya? Apa nih? Anjir, gagal Nicolas Martin. Oke, nggak apa. Leo rumor ke Liverpool dan Kamarda ke Monaco ya dari Milan. Anjir, Milan pada jual-jual pemain pak. Oke, pas Jefferson pas. Nggak. Greco 2 tahun. Oke, kita pinjamkan 2 tahun nggak apa-apa. Terus nanti kita lihat performa dia ya. Kalau ratingnya naik kencang, ya kita bisa inilah. Bisa kita tarik lah. Kalau selama 6 bulan ini dia naik 1 aja, kita biarin aja. Oke, Greco. Semoga peminjaman ini bagus ya untuk karirmu ke depannya ya. Oke, rumornya masih itu ya. Kamarda ke Monaco sama ke Roma pak rumor. Oke, Vicente Bau. Siap. Kamarda 18 tahun pak. Siapa nih? Greco. Kita pinjamkan ke Girona ya dengan atau selama 2 musim. Oke, good luck di klub barumu. Semoga kamu berkembang di sana. Oke. Siap. David. Bolonya. Oke, sepertinya tidak ada hal penting lainnya, tidak ada bursa transfer karena tutup. Resmi ditutup. Dan 400.200 402.270 juta. Sekian ya. Oke, kita advance. Ya, kita menghadapi Fiorentina. Astaga, approve lift. Oke. Jadi kita bisa memainkan si Murik ya. Mereka menggunakan formasi 5-3-2 holding. Kita JJS. Oke, JJS mungkin kamu bisa masuk dari bangku cadangan nanti. Press conference terlebih dahulu menghadapi Fiorentina di Coppa Italia ya. Kita bisa memainkan beberapa pemain pelapis kita untuk memberikan jam terbang lah. Kita training dulu kah? Job opportunity. No. Nggak sekarang, Pak. Oke. Ya, dengan kembalinya JIJS tentu saja kita akan memasukkan dia di starting. Oh, belum, Pak. Jadi gini. Nah. Oke. Kayak kita ke pre-match training, kita training dulu seperti biasa. Apakah striker kita masih tajam untuk hal ini? Wah, oh, udah Murik ya. Kok headingnya kok ngaco ya? Tapi emang heading sih susah sih dari Di FC 26 ini nggak seperti di FC sebelumnya, Pak. Di FC sebelumnya itu udah bisa dikatakan gampang lah heading-heading kayak gini. Anjir, bukan Gallagher lagi ya. Astaga. Oh iya, si Torstvedt pindah ya. Oke, sekali lagi. Harusnya bisa dari kontrol pam. Mantap, Gusto. Oke, kita akan menghadapi Fiorentina. Dan Turati tentunya tidak bisa main. Kita bisa memasukkan beberapa nama. Dur kita akan mainkan. Tentunya dengan Solemana, Volpato. Bisa. Ringumoha kita masukkan dari awal ya. Moremovic bisa kita mainkan. Untuk JJS mungkin nggak dulu sekarang ya. Nemanja Matic akan kita bawa. Kabar kita mainkan. Pras kita mainkan. Dan yap. Oke. Langsung dari Artemio Franchi. Tagas lah.
All eyes on one man. Will he shine against his former club? We have all the action live coming up.
Iya, langsung.
Hello everyone and welcome
Oke,
to
kick off babak pertama Fiorentina versus Sassuolo ya. Langsung lah.
I'm Derek Ray and joining me for commentary today here on the gantry is the former.
Ini Fiorentina juga lagi GG nih. Di musim lalu kayaknya di peringkat ketiga dia main di UCL ya. Tadi obok-obok di musim lalu. Ya, walaupun skuad kita nggak segigi sekarang sih. Muric.
And no worries for the goalkeeper.
Si Kabar mana? Ngapain maju dulu, Bar?
And a look at the lineup for Fiorentina.
Yeah, it's a 5-3-2 or a 3-5-2 if you like. The midfield will be flooded when they've got the ball, but then the
Astaga, nggak ada niatan untuk jam aja si Losek. Anjir lah. At least ada kemauan untuk jumping lah.
Let's have a look at the initial 11 for the visitors.
Well, it's a 5-3-2.
Volpato sama Cek mundur.
The wing backs are so important in this formation. They've got the responsibilities in both defending and attacking.
Duel. Oke, top. Moremovic.
An impressive run. And it's played into the center.
Nah, gitulah at least. Ada heading gitu loh. Biar nggak polosan, Pak. Asu. Circati, Cuk. Saya lupa ganti target player lagi. Wih, Rio, mahal Rio. Kita main-main dulu, tenang dulu, atur tempo dulu lah ya. Tenang. Moremovic dari Onggumoha. Astaga, offset kah? Onside sih. Cande. Familiar. Oh iya, Pak, dia dipindah ke sini ya. Itu kan ya di belakang itu kan. Anjir, saya nggak perhatiin loh. Lupa, Pak, samaan saya, Pak. Aduh, Solemana kok disikat orangnya. Kartu kuning lah. Oke, good job. Oke, Rio Ngumoha. Support.
Adam Closet. This is looking threatening. And passing it well.
David De Gea. GG. Yo, gucop. Percobaannya sangat bagus. Oke, rebut sekarang. Bahaya, counter attack. Wih, tengah kita mana? Dur, Soleh mana?
Well, it's such an eye-catching series of passes.
They just move it so well, don't they?
Anjir. Cuk.
Good patience. Oh, good
Oke,
vision
Pras.
there. It's been aimed towards the front post.
Volpato.
Oh, looked rushed there.
Anjir, Thuram.
The move breaks down.
Jangan maju dulu, bro.
Trying to open up the defense.
Astaga, offset anjing.
Needed sharp eyes to make that decision.
Well, I thought
Thuram apa dipocer aja ya? Oke, dua strikernya coba pocer aja lah. Biar karena mereka punya kecepatan kan.
incredibly close, but just about the correct decision, I think.
Oke, babak pertama telah usai. Skor sama kuat 0-0.
We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game.
Artemio Franky. Lusek. Yuk, bisa yuk. Makin nyerang yuk.
It's a case of who's going to blink first. Can he put them in front?
Astaga.
How good was that?
Does well there to stop the chance, didn't he? Real desire there to get it back.
Ntar, gue mungkin kan jadiin Thuram target forward kali ya, misal ya. Biar dia di situ aja, Pak.
Really took a touch on the way out of play,
Karena dia
so
headingnya
try to
bagus.
come.
Duel Morimovic. Astaga, duel aja kalah loh.
Piccoli. Attacking with
Ya,
vigor.
jika suatu saat saya jual ya, atau musim depan saya jual bisa aja ya.
Effective looking pass.
Karena performa dia gitu-gitu aja, Pak.
Delivered into the area here.
Oke.
Well, the keeper wasn't
Yang ngomong
close by
kosong.
it at all, in actual fact.
Oke, kosong. Thuram maju.
Will it be?
Astaga.
Smart shot here.
Salah saya. Harusnya tarik dulu Thuram baru sikat, Pak. Itu backnya soalnya
Well, there's been so much talk about a potential
apa?
transfer, but it's potential no more.
ngikut Thuram, Pak.
It's fact.
Gandol istilahnya.
Yeah, there's certainly been a lot of focus on him over the last few
Anjir,
years.
si kabar ngapain maju terlalu dalam?
And it's still on.
Oke, bahaya pencet kotak atau di kotak penalti ya.
And they nudge in front. Really well
Oke,
positioned.
GG Morimovic
Read the game
maju.
superb. Good awareness there.
Aduh, si Volpato nggak maju lagi.
Has.
Alah, Pras.
Well, we have a plethora of live matches coming up for you here. Opportunity. Could be troublesome. It did look on for them, but not to be. Now, can they hit them on the counter?
Aduh. Oh, alah, anjir itu malah jatuh diving, bangke. Ngalangin aja back mereka, rese amat.
And
Oke,
push it
Pras mana?
forward. And a chance to whip it in here. Goalkeeper's ball, the cross delivered too close to him.
Oke, Ringo Moa. Thuram maju.
TV, delighted that you're with us. I hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
The fixtures
Anjir,
coming
masuknya
thick and
Thuram,
fast.
anjing.
Good game that though.
Fali Condé. That's really good,
Kabar.
effective physical play.
Uses his
Alah,
body well there,
kabar.
doesn't he?
Lewis. Oh, nice ball. Pushing for the winner. And a fine cross. And that'll be offside.
Full pato, Bos. Anjir, offset. Oke. Kita akan memasukkan tenaga-tenaga baru ya tentunya. Berardi. Kita akan masukkan Osula. Di tengah tentu kita butuh daya gedor lagi ya. Anjir, sini nggak masuk ya. Oke, Jais bisa kita mainkan. Anjir, udah 5 ya. Aduh, doik sih. Oke, daripada narik Circati mending narik Morimovic kali ya. Atau Rio Ngumoha nggak usah ditarik, kita masukkan Doik aja. Gallagher nggak saya bawa, Pak. Oke, yuk gas.
Substitution in the offing. Well, a good tackle.
Astaga, Ngumoha.
Can they grab the lead late on? Well, it's pass after pass, keeping their opponents thinking. Danger building. Lewis. And teammates to play it to.
Aduh, mundur Pras.
Intelligent ball. Can he put them in front?
Main apaan, Cok?
Well, this could really help the cause.
Asu.
Beltran. Oh, a brilliantly timed tackle when it really
Prit.
mattered.
Anjir, wasit Bahrain, Cok.
Well, that is asking to be booked. Well, he's
Asu,
gone into the
wasit
book.
kontil.
Decision from the ref. He'll have to be careful now.
And he whips it in.
Prit. Asu, 95, Cok.
After 90 minutes,
Orang tambahan
they
waktu
are
cuma
level,
semenit jadi
and
95.
extra time is coming up.
Qatar, Cok. Oke, ini dia. Welcome back, Jais. Kami sungguh merindukanmu ya. Oh, resume match. Oke, sampai bawa tambahan ya. Anjir, kita belum punya peluang yang berbahaya, Pak. Tengah kita nggak ada Gallagher. Terasa banget sih.
Zola. Distributing it well.
Nah, Circati menang duel, Pak.
Possession ceded by Fiorentina. Oh, good
Oke,
idea.
Thuram. Astaga, masih di
Forward piece of
blok.
goalkeeping.
Cande itu, Cande. Asem Cande.
Mbala and Zola.
Duh.
Lewis. Piccoli. Well, nothing to split the two sides, but this move looks promising.
Harus perlu gelandang satu sih.
Intensity now.
Sebagus Gallagher lah. Solemana kurang. Ndur juga kurang bisa dibilang. Tapi masih bisa lah kalau si Ndur ya.
Oh, danger here.
Aduh,
The pressure,
Jais.
can he finish?
Oke. Astaga,
Offside
habis, Cuk.
in extra
Giliran
time,
kita nyerang.
and still they are level.
Bisa lah ya ganti satu pemain. Kedua. Satu aja. Aduh, ntar apa ganti Matic ya? Oke lah, Matic. Anjir, 2 DM, cok. 2 pemain yang beratribut bertahan malah.
And so they continue. There must be a lot of tired players out there.
Ngapain sini?
Domenico Berardi. Could be troublesome.
Aduh, Thuram ngapain di belakang? Nyir. Goal getter target forward di belakang ngentiau. Masa backup tengah? Matic. Anjir. Untung masih lambung, Pak. Untung striker mereka bukan Moiskin lagi ya. Kalau Moiskin jebol gitu, Pak. Maju. Selebrasi dulu. Nggak selebrasi. Oke, Thuram. Good job. Anjir, baru 1 match di Coppa Italia. Golin lagi Marcus Thuram. Tapi kalau misal Rio Gumoha kalau umpan ke tengah sih agak gimana ya, dia di tempel ketat oleh Cande soalnya ya, si Thuram ini. Oke, kita main lebih fokus lagi ya di menit akhir ini.
Time is fast running out. 5 minutes left in the second period of extra time here. Nzola. Kouame with it. And pressing for the equalizer. And running free here.
Oke, Pras.
Showing good game awareness.
Cocok.
So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said.
Sendiri. Gumoha maju.
This could be it.
Oke, menang, Mang. Astaga. Prit. Oke, lolos ke semifinal. Ya, JICS yang kembali dan langsung diberi ban kapten menggantikan Domenico Berardi tadi ya yang jadi cadangan. Dan kita lihat match fact. Anjir, kita 9 shot, mereka 1 shot, Pak. 1 aja yang gol. Untuk performance, wow, comebacknya JICS saja 8,1. 2 standing tackle win, 3 defensive duel win. Gelo. 1 gol dari Marcus Thuram. Cirsati juga bermain GG. Murik dengan shot on target, nggak ada save, cuman dia bagus mainnya. Marimovic, Gumoha, Lusek, Berardi, Kabar, Burger. Dan ya itu dia. Alhamdulillah kita lolos ya. Untuk hasil lain imbang semua ya itu. Oke, Milan menang penalti lawan Juventus, Inter menang penalti lawan Torino, Napoli atau AS Roma menang penalti melawan Napoli. GG.
Grazie mister, è un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni.
Si Pras tentunya bermain sangat-sangat bagus lah ya. Rio Gumoha tak usah diragukan lagi. Tadi akselerasinya walaupun gagal, namun bola mentahnya disikat oleh Thuram. Oke, inside forward 20 pekan. Oke, biarin aja lah inside forward. Selanjutnya JICS. Oke. Oke, thank you Captain Berardi. Match reschedule Bologna Sassuolo. Oke, kita langsung lanjut dan lawan kita selanjutnya adalah Internazionale Milano. Oke, Marimovic. Anjir, Aegis tetap suruh untuk jadi kapten, Pak. Oke. Inter Milan menggunakan formasi 5-3-2 ya. Oke, si Reed itu di sisi kanan, pemain incaran kita. Akan berhadapan dengan Ryungu Moha ya. Oke. Thuram. Gelo Thuram. Gallagher. Astaga, kok beneran Pak, sumpah. Goal heading di FC 26 lebih sulit. Di latihan aja nggak bisa nyundul pemain-pemain kita. Gelo Augusto. Walaupun syutingnya mungkin nggak segege si Gallagher ya. Oke, good job. Kita save-save dulu lah ya. Save-save, anjir, ngapain setting, Cok? Save-save dulu lah ya. Oke, melawan Inter di peringkat ketiga, sementara kita di peringkat ke 7. Dan tentu saja kita akan, oke, squadnya saya rubah dulu. Nah, kan seperti ini. Oke. Dam. Biar artis siap, kita ke Mape Stadium sekarang. Kita langsung ke matchnya aja lah ya. Oke, kick off babak pertama antara Sassuolo dan juga Inter Milan. Astaga. Boni. Oh iya, Lautaro udah gak ada ya, berarti duet Lautaro Martinez sama Boni ya di depan harusnya. Anjir, Lautaro sih headingnya GG sih. Di sini sih GG sih dia. Oke, sprint. Ya, taga. Offside sih. Untung Pak offside Pak. Oke, Hulsek crossingnya GG juga ya. Main lah. Rio. Nah, kalau Gallagher. Astaga. Offside tipis di situ harusnya. Sebadan Pak ya kan. Sepersekian detik. Cherby. Boni. Wah, anjir. Astaga. Jesus kurang nempel sama Boni. Colongan Pak. Oh, si ini apa? Augusto. Oke. Kita main perlahan-lahan aja lah ya.
Lovely ball, this could lead to something. Got it away, but not far.
Astaga, masih kalah Cuk Thuram.
Davide
Ya lawannya
Martinez.
Bastoni sih.
That's a good ball.
Oke.
Been cut out. There's the
Gumoha.
turnover. Marcus Thuram.
Oke, Los. Aduh, terlalu. Astaga, corner.
Up on it to steer to safety. Federico Di Marco. Francesco Acerbi. Well, they won the ball, now what to do with it? And a cross that could be dangerous.
Selebrasi mantan klub.
A goal that draws them back on
Siap.
level terms.
5 dari 4 pertandingan. 5 gol dari 4 pertandingan ya. GG sih si Lusek crossingnya ya. Padahal lawannya Bastoni pak, yang notabene salah satu back terbaik Serie A ya. Ya GG. Nih striker yang selama ini kita cari-cari tentunya.
So it's 1-1 as the ball gets rolling again. Barella. Francesco Acerbi. Di Marco. Benjamin Pavard. Barella. Really nice tempo to this move. Promising looking ball.
Nggak bisa pak, terlalu sempit sudutnya.
That was a chance gone begging. Domenico Berardi.
Astaga,
Oh, who wants
offside
that
itu.
one? And the game will stop. Offside.
Jelas. Dia ngambil space larinya kurang jauh pak. Saya mau oper awal itu takut kena sama backnya. Kalau dia ambil space-nya, jaga jarak sama backnya sih berani saya pak.
Could get it over now. And I'm afraid
Oke, good
badly
job.
wrong. What an opportunity.
Mungkin kita kasih dia voucher aja ya, coba ya. Voucher, target forward. Udah.
that was. Pascal Strauch. Gusto.
Ntar.
Now with Berger. Domenico Berardi. Klojek.
Oke, babak pertama telah usai, skor 1-1 ya.
The first 45 minutes here. And the second half
Yo.
begins. Who will it be to turn the draw into a win? Benjamin Pavard.
Doik.
But they're
Ah,
not
offside.
quite in sync there. It's offside.
Well, he needs to show greater awareness there and hold on to the ball a fraction longer.
Tuh Gallagher terlalu terburu-buru maju.
Pressing high and they have
Tuh
the ball
Gallagher
again.
ngapain maju dulu?
Lovely setup. And that's been nicely won by the defence.
Wih, merah lah.
Oh, what a dreadful tackle.
Sirit itu kan. Merah sit.
Well, here we
Pak.
go. It's a booking.
And a necessary one as well for that kind of
Anjir,
challenge.
langsung diganti. Nanti siapa? Dumfries. Dumfries pindah hanya. Thuram maju.
Played in with that.
Oke.
And into the lead they go.
Tendangan yang sangat bagus dari kapten kita Domenico Berardi. Siap. taruh di sayap nggak usah
Here's the goal
nggulin. Tuh
again.
bisa nggulin.
What a wonderfully weighted pass
Tentunya
this is.
assist dari
And it
Thuram
makes a
kerjasama
striker's
dengan
job so
Losek ya.
easy. All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a
Torium
lovely
Bumoha.
goal.
Sorry. Boom, pakai kaki kanan Pak. Acerbi lewat Sommer nggak bisa nepis. Yuk.
So off we go at 2-1 now.
Masih lama ini Pak, menit 56. Oke. Sabar. Sabar.
Conor Gallagher. That's not a bad looking ball. And
Oke.
cleared well away from goal. Berger.
Astaga, kok pencetan satu langsung jauh gitu ya.
Has now been confirmed, so the will they or won't they discussions can now end.
Well, at around £50 million,
Anjir,
I
Mohamed
think
Salah.
they've probably paid the right amount for him. He's a wonderfully gifted player who on his day will certainly excite
Oh,
the
what
fans.
about this? Trying to carve out the angle.
Anjir, Mohamed Salah, Pak.
Sub about to come on.
Bumoha.
Gallagher. Berger. Trickiness in a
Anjir.
tight spot.
Oke, press lewat.
Remember to check back in with EA TV soon with more Serie A coming up.
Losek.
And they've scored again. That puts them further in
Bam
front.
baram bam
What a
bam
position
bam
to
bam
be in.
bam. Bam baram bam 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 bam. Losek. 11 gol dari 24 pertandingan. Anjir, ngebalap si ini ya. Berardi ya dia.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And once he gets
Itu dia
onto it,
masang
he just
pertahanan
smashes
tinggi
it
si
past the
Inter.
keeper with great technique.
Bastoni sama
What an
Acerbi
emphatic
ketinggalan jauh
finish that
soalnya.
is.
Trivela bang. Oke, kita bisa ganti-ganti berapa pemain. Osula tentunya kita bisa mainkan di situ. Muarimovic tadi pengen main. Si Pras jangan dulu. Cercati walaupun bermain bagus ya selama ini, nggak dulu lah. Bumoha kita ganti. Ndur kita duetkan dengan Gallagher. Oke, kurang satu lagi. Oke. Kita memperkuat pertahanan ya. Oke. Gaskan dia.
And away we go again at 3-1 now. Federico Di Marco.
Oke, Monteiro.
A little sloppy on the ball there.
Anjir, nggak ada yang nyambut, Cuk.
15 minutes left for play now.
Salah.
Di Marco.
Wendur. Gelo.
Marcus Thuram. Lovely pass. The ticket.
Osula. Astaga, kok tengah sih Osula?
Way too.
Duel. Aduh, Muarimovic tetap aja penyakitmu kayak gitu.
Feels like a fair reflection to me.
Well, I think the scoreline reflects the difference between the two teams. For most of the game, they've dictated the play and they've
Astaga,
created some
offside.
really good chances. I think it's been an excellent performance.
And there's going to
Oke,
be a
Luis
chance now.
Henrique menggantikan Reed ya. Terkena kartu kuning. Doik. Bertahan.
Nicolo Barella. Martinez.
Bingung dia. Oke.
Could be a chance here. Chance to get back in this.
Astaga, anjir,
Now has that
Lautaro
drop
ini.
and the time to get another.
Yuk, main
Yet
bertahan.
another goal. 3-2 now and off they go.
Sassuolo gol. Ngentot. Maremovic, anjir.
Getting to that stage where it has to happen for them.
Wah,
He's done well to get past. Well, he wouldn't let him get away that easily.
alah, Circati ini malah,
Salah.
aduh malah penalti ya
Oh, it's a
Allah.
penalty.
Aduh,
What a costly
Maremovic
decision
sama
this could prove
Circati
to be
parah.
with time running out. It's going to be a booking as well.
Well, he's absolutely right. It's a penalty and a yellow card.
Tapi Lautaro Martinez kesini sih pasti. Astaga,
The
sudah
penalty
ketebak nih.
efficiently put away.
Aduh.
And the referee
Astaga ya Allah, 3-1. Anjing. Anjing losek. Langsung advance lah, tai lah. Oke. Youth Scout kita. Oke, kita tolak dulu yang nggak mungkin kita sign. Anjir, potensi nggak ada yang 90. Ini masih 16 tahun nih. Central midfielder. Kita lihat yang dari Spanyol ya. Apa tuh? 17 tahun, Pak. Oke. Anjir, 16 tahun. Kiper 14 tahun gak usah lah ya. Pemain 14 tahun ini gak usah lah. Oke, 16 ya. Ferrara, Lombard, Johan Lombard. Bisa atau Guinard. Balance, holding midfielder, central midfielder. Ntar, pace, passing, dribbling. Di playing playmaker, box to box. Oke, kita jadiin semua box to box ya. Advanced playmaker. Oke. Oke, untuk ini nggak usah. Anjir. 16 tahun. Boleh-boleh. Nggak usah. Ini nggak usah lah. Oke. Kita ke akademi terlebih. Kita cari. Ntar. Central midfielder, pace, passing, dribbling. Hah? Lebih ke winger nggak, Pak? Atau Box to box kali ya. Oh, Anjir, kita lihat klasemen dulu, Pak. Oke, kita peringkat ke-6. Anjir, harusnya kita bisa peringkat ke-5 tadi, Pak, kalau menang ya. Anjing emang. Oke lah, apalah, kita lupakan pertandingan sebelumnya. Oke. Anjir, Sucic. Valentin Carboni. Hah? Boleh-boleh. Real face nggak? Anjir, real face, cok. Boleh-boleh. Sucic. Anjir, pasti mahal sih Sucic. Valentin Carboni udah. Sucic. Carlos Jaramillo. Side pack. CDM/CM. Boleh. 22 tahun, Pak. Real face nggak? Enggak sih. Masa kiper cuman pendek, Pak? Nggak terlalu tinggi, Pak. Anjir, Boniface, oke. Kita lihat lah ya. Boniface seperti apa. Lihat-lihat aja, Pak. Kumbula. Kita nyari left back yang left foot ya. Jonathan David. Emanuele Pellegrino. Joe Mario. Daniele Maldini, anjir, main di Girona dia. 25 tahun. Oke, bisa kita scout lah ya. Marco Kapan, Alex Valle. Left back. Engelhardt. Anjir. Mutanwa. Amatucci. Ibrahim Soleimana. Ntar. CDM. Boleh lah. Kenapa enggak ya kan? Giovanni. Fabian. Reed. Anjir, Reed. Ederson. No, oke. Langsung aja, kita nggak usah lama-lama. Anjir, langsung lawan Juventus dong. Juventus di peringkat 10 lagi. Oke. Kita akan Pras. Oke, Pras, tenang. You bakal main, tapi tenang aja. Open analysis mereka memberikan informasi 3421. Jonathan David, Yildiz, anjir, Hakimi, cuk. Oke, sisi kanan itu sepertinya bisa diekspos nanti ya. Overload defending, oke. Apaan? Anjir. Gak jelas, cok, pemain-pemain kita, cok, weh. Nah, langsung full. Oke, slide tackle, quick step, intercept, siap. Messi langsung melawan Juventus dari Allianz Stadium. Tadi siapa pengen main si Pras kan ya? Oke, Pras, you main situ lah ya. Oke, let's go.
Such a bold move to leave out a star player. The manager is taking charge, and this is a decision that could make or break his future at the club. Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather.
off babak pertama ya.
Perched here on the commentary gantry and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. I'm greatly looking forward to bringing you live coverage of this match being played in Serie A. It's Juventus and they face Sassuolo.
Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today?
Oke,
is the
corner
big
kick.
question.
Anjir, oh saya lupa ganti pak. Assignment. Target player.
Can he deliver it with accuracy?
Wah, anjir, tapi strike GG juga sih.
In all fairness, and a goal kick it is. They made a brilliant start here, and the manager's tactics are clearly.
Jonathan David berduel dengan Bang Jai.
Absolutely.
Hakimi direbut saja oleh Rio Ngumoha.
And that's happening again today.
Oh, lovely ball.
Ya
Difficult
ampun.
skill to master.
And he did almost everything right there.
Losek semakin GG ya. Taruh situ ya.
And Di Gregorio has it now.
Oke. Aduh. Oh, GG, sorry.
But in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, when he's playing well,
Aduh,
he can unlock
Berardi.
defense. He can manipulate the ball, see a pass and beat defenders. He'll be key today.
Bremer. Now with Douglas Luiz. Turn Koopmeiners. Well, it's a very attractive passing sequence.
Certainly look composed on the ball, don't they?
He has teammates around him. No disappointing end to the move. Adam Project. Excellent
Onside.
vision. Could it be? A goal here.
Anjir, Marcus Thuram.
Precisely what they were looking for. Now he deserves to celebrate it.
Yuk, bisa yuk. Ya kalau kita targetnya sih, kalau target aku pribadi sih di zona UCL ya tentunya. Agar hadiahnya dari kompetisi juga makin banyak dan makin bergengsi lah. Dan agar sponsor juga masuk itu enak pak, gimmicknya seperti itu. Tapi kalau sesuai bird expectation masuk Liga Conference League bisa, Europa League bisa. Dan paling realistis ya emang untuk sementara ini ya antara Europa League atau Conference League pak. Karena kalau UCL atau Champions League kita ketemunya langsung tim-tim gede pak. Beneran. Ya, dari Italia aja lah contoh, pasti ketemu Inter, ada Milan, Lazio mungkin. Nah kalau dari Inggris City, Liverpool, terus Arsenal udah pasti, Spanyol Madrid, Barca udah pasti, Atletico Madrid. Terus dari mana? Prancis ada PSG. Dari Jerman ada Bayern Munchen sama Dortmund. Susah pak, bukan nggak mungkin tapi susah untuk lolos ke 16 besarnya ya. Bukannya kita pesimis, ya kita tetap mengharapkan hasil yang terbaik lah ya. Oke, JJS. Turati gelo. Tak dulu Cap. Oke, sprint. Anjir, sama Kalulu kalah pak strength. Anjir sih. Oke, berarti jaraknya kurang jauh tadi ya. Offside itu. Kita press saja pak depannya pak.
Jonathan David. Kefren Turam. Bremer. Now with Thuram. Oh, useful ball. And snuffed out the danger immediately.
Read it
Pascal
really
Struijk
well.
semakin ngeklop ya sama
Thuram. Could be threatening. Oh,
astaga,
brilliantly.
maju dikit ya, apa mundur dikit lah harusnya.
Douglas Luiz.
Atau kalau seperti itu syuting aja ya, bawa sendiri lalu syuting aja ya.
Now rotated. And players waiting in the centre.
Oke, babak pertama.
With that, the first half comes to an end here in Turin.
Jonathan David.
So the referee's whistle
Anjir
as the
pak, lawan
action
Inter
is
masih nggak bisa
restarted.
terlupakan anjing 3-1 sampai 3-2. Penalti tadi juga sudah kebaca sebenarnya pak, ke arahnya. Wes. Rio, aduh.
Sassuolo unable to keep the ball. Pierre Kalulu. Now with Thuram. Well, it's just about a case of wall-to-wall football live with us here on EA TV. And Stuart and I will be with you for this game coming up.
I'm really looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
Ya apa mereka main-main ball position nggak masalah.
Kefren Thuram. Juventus, the old lady, they know how to keep the ball. What can they do from here? And a decent delivery.
Turati. Positioningnya gitu.
What a good save that was.
And the Juventus
Kostik
personnel
keluar digantikan
change
oleh
here.
Zegrova. GG Turati GG.
So the corner played into the box. Tried to tee it up. Wonderful block.
Offside.
Waiting for support. Well anticipated.
Yeah, good interception.
Thuram.
Wasn't it?
Oke.
Counter-attacking.
Astaga.
Well, they promised much on the
Anjir,
break,
ditabrak dong.
ultimately delivered little. Kefren Thuram. One of the best leagues in the world, Serie A, and action from it coming up live.
Tenang,
here
tenang,
on
tenang,
EA
tenang,
TV.
tenang, tenang.
It's Sassuolo facing Roma.
I'm really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be
Alah,
an entertaining
umpan
match.
Thuram apa itu? Bang Jai duel.
Jade's pass. And into the last 20 minutes. Burger.
Momoha terlalu maju cuk.
Hakimi.
Bahaya, bahaya, bahaya. Astaga. Gak ada opsi umpan pak di tengah.
Level pegging.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end.
Janganlah.
But his movement was really good. He just found himself a bit of space in the box when it mattered most.
Momoha nggak turun pak. Sumpah.
Burger. Quarter of an hour remaining here.
Astaga, ngoper.
Miners mopping up.
Lemah banget sih manusia. Anjir kapten, sorry.
Yildiz.
Mentok segitiga loh pak. Anjir emang. Alah sayap.
Marcus Thuram. Pass. Wouter Burger. Thuram.
Oh, anjir, back tengahnya si GG sih kalau lu sih.
And Sassuolo have the ball again. Burger. Only 5 minutes left for play and
Nggak ada
tension
opsi, Pak.
galore with the
Turam.
teams locked together. How can they nudge in front late on
Aduh,
here?
udah bocor kah itu? Terus
He's gone into an illegal position, unfortunately. It's a substitution for Juventus. Bremer. Shegrova has it.
lah.
Gini. Shegrova. Well, good run and good ball control. And the decision offside.
Oke, offside. Gallagher minta.
There is going to be stoppage time, but only the one.
Striker kita.
Gallagher. Still pushing for a winner.
Agak lusek.
With that, the referee brings this
Aduh.
all square here.
Anjir,
It was
bang
a
udah.
thoroughly compelling game. Stuart, your analysis.
Langsung.
Both teams are very positive.
Grazie mister, è un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni.
Anjing lah.
Liberiamo
Anjir, kita lawan Roma. Kita di peringkat ke-7 ya Mas ya. Oke, ini pertandingan terakhir di episode kali ini ya. Informasi 3421. Kita training bapuk banget anjing, training apa? Finishing pemain. Mah anjing. Finishing tai, Cuk. Nah, gitu. Ayo heading. Aduh, umpan apa Berardi? Astaga. Tengah, cok. Blik. Ayo maju. Gila. Gallagher jadiin striker aja kayaknya ya. Save dulu ya. Oke, ini wajib menang lah ya. Anjir, peringkat ke-7. Atalanta. Lazio drop point berarti. Atalanta, oke. Wajib menang. Nggak jauh-jauh amat, Pak. Sama peringkat 1 kita, Milan berapa selisihnya? 10-14 poin. Sama Napoli cuman 5 poin, Pak. Yuk kita kalender. Anjir, Roma, Como, AS Roma. Pekan-pekan terberat. Oke, gaskan dia. Kita mainkan si Ngumoha. Osula jangan dulu deh. Muarimovic enggak lah ya.
The focus is on one man here. As the league's top scorer, it's no surprise that our cameras
Anjir,
are focused
top
on
skor
him. The big
Serie A
question
Dybala.
now, can he
Okay.
add to his tally today? Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And we've got a game for you today from Serie A.
Kita main pendek-pendek
It's
aja,
Sassuolo,
Pak.
and they take on Roma.
Well, the atmosphere is building nicely here, and we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Well, good luck to the two midfield players, I would say, because in this system, they have to do a lot of work and at times will be overrun. But if the wings play well, it should be a very interesting
Crossingnya
game.
terlalu masuk sih.
Here's the Roma
Anjir,
team
Sadio
sheet.
Mane, Pak.
Evan Ndika plays alongside Gianluca Mancini as the centre-backs, and leading the attack is Paulo Dybala. Well, you can see the confidence from the start, can't you?
Yeah, the manager likes playing against this team, there's no doubt about that.
Working the ball really nicely. And he fails to trouble the keeper.
Astaga.
Well, that never looked like troubling the keeper, did it? But it was worth an effort, a good strike from it.
Bang Jai. Oke, siap Bang Jai. Bisa, Pak.
Gusto. Now with Berger. Well, he's a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him for the right reasons today, though?
Well, he's big,
Well,
strong.
Stuart, they could score here.
Astaga, Berardi.
And away it goes.
Well, no fear, but it's effective, that's for sure.
Oh, the beautiful game very much on display. And the press
Alah,
is paid
Burger
off here.
ngawur.
Oh, they've lost it. The attack
Serangan
is
balik,
over.
cepat ayo. Aduh.
No need to stop the play. On they go.
Al.
To turn them around. And played in. And really
terus,
coming
Cok.
his way.
Balenono terus, Cok. Asu.
Well, the hosts have completely bossed the game in the last 50
Aduh.
minutes. You sense it's inevitable the goal will come. It'll be certainly no less than they deserve. They just need to be a bit more clinical in that final
His
third.
attempts.
Wah, anjir, Trivela ngehe.
That's more than warranted.
Ngehe si striker ini Trivela. Ngehe, Pak. Gelo. GG. Umpan terobosannya bagus tadi dari Monteiro ya. Boom. Sevaliar ke Tipau.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets
Untuk pemain
rolling again.
terbaik kita akan kasih playstyle kuning ya. Dari masing-masing posisi. Posisi striker, back, gelandang. Kalau kiper ya kita tambahin lah tapi nggak kuning.
Played in with that. This could level it.
Oke, Doi.
Not in trouble yet.
Kejar-kejar Monteiro. GG.
Play, but it's come to
Hajar
nothing.
jauh.
Gusto.
Salah.
Berger.
Gallagher. Good. Berardi. Thuram minta. Nggak bisa. Naik. Thuram.
Approaching half-time now, and the hosts hold sway. Is it a deserved lead?
Well, they've worked hard and played well to be in front here, but they now need to keep their focus as we approach half-time.
Put into the box. Unable
Aduh.
to find anyone with that. Edging ever closer to goal here.
Wih, Bang Jai selalu menyala, Bang Jai.
Marcus Thuram.
Aduh, Losek telat larinya. Alah, umpan ngawur untung. Alah. Thuram umpannya jelek sih.
The referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close.
Short pass-nya harus diperbarui ya.
Off we go again. The second half begins. Evan Ndika. Luca Mancini. Cristante. Closed it down well. Well, let's cross to Alex now with news of a goal in the Fiorentina game.
Yeah.
Dia taruh stres dua-duanya ya. Terutama si Thuram ini biar lari aja dia.
Another goal for Fiorentina. No one was marking him. He had too much time, and it was a simple finish in the end. They're ahead by 2 now, with 53 minutes played.
Alex keeping us right up to date. Could be setting something now. Opportunity now.
Buang, Struik, good job.
Well, they're so unlucky not to be level now. It was a great effort. You just wonder if they're going to regret that.
Yeah, and they could be going close again soon.
Wesley Fofana.
Great instinct there. To
Ngawur.
Claudio Manu Kone. Really good pass.
Maju.
There's a chance for the breakaway here. Can they profit from this? Couldn't quite take
Astaga.
advantage in the end.
I have to say the defenders showed great desire there.
Just a friendly reminder that we have more Serie A coverage coming up for you on EA TV. As Sassuolo face Como. Really hope
X aja tadi harusnya ya.
Well, the fixtures are
Oh,
coming
si
thick and
Gallagher
fast.
cedera
Should be
lagi.
a good game, that. Hopefully, I'm
Anjir.
not just giving it the commentator's curse.
we've got 20.
Oke, kita ganti pemain ya. Gallagher cedera, kita gantikan Dur. Solemana jangan dulu. Kita saatnya speed-speedan bareng Rio Ngumoha.
to go in this one. Oh, could be a chance here. Just needs the composure now.
Masuk. Aduh, Thuram. Kenapa kamu kok akhir-akhir ini nggak play?
Mancini. That's a good spot. Well played.
Yeah, really good vision there.
And that's gone to the wrong place.
GG.
I'm being told of a goal in the Fiorentina game, so let's go to
Oke,
Alex.
Osula.
Has to be. And a little lift up.
Kencengan
Really
anjing,
good
anjing.
chance missed. Will that prove costly?
Well, you're absolutely right. What a chance to kill the game off. He's got to
Duel.
get the target.
Halah. Mana sih pemain tengah kita anjing?
Inside the final 10 minutes. Ryan Cristante still coming at them, hunting the goal they need. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. There's a chance for them to go now.
Thuram, kasih tahu.
Still making forward progress.
Wah Allah, pas tengah terus cuk.
Goalkeeping, that keeps-
Tar. Targetnya Thuram.
Yeah, had he not stopped that, they would be in big trouble now.
Cing tetep Pascal
To
cuk.
the middle. Still under threat here. And the keeper collects it. And will
Bertahan, mundur.
Full round, but what a good first save that was.
Mundur, Struik. Oke,
That was
Apa,
an
kartu
unwise
kuning?
challenge, to put it mildly.
Dur, sundur.
Cristante. This could be threatening. Genuine chance here. This time, the goalkeeper ready for it. really good.
Yes!
The game comes to an end.
Anjir, Ndur nggak
In
mepet.
positive mood. That's the win they came to see.
It was very competitive. Chances at both
Oke.
ends, but I feel they
Kemenangan yang sangat penting di episode kali ini ya. Losek. Anjir, Thuram turun ya. Oke, gile.
Grazie per aver accettato di rispondere alle
Oke,
nostre
ini
domande.
tadi match terakhir ya, melawan Roma. Apakah kemenangan tadi bisa mendongkrak posisi kita?
Grazie ancora.
Dan yap. Oke, berapa? Oke, 4 hari, Pak. Ndur. Tapi Ndur sih mending ya daripada Soleimana ya. Ferrara. Oke. Untuk Murik. Oke, tenang Murik. 4 hari, 5 hari. Oke lah, kita advance aja langsung. Akan melawan peringkat ke-11 Como FC. Oke, Burger. Central Half. Box Crasher. Finishing. Balance. Strength. Holding midfielder. Long pass defensive aware. Oke, kita latih dia di situ ya. Oke, Barberi. Box to box GG. Kita unread message. Oke, Ndur. Oke. Oke, welcome back Gallagher ya. Dan kita sekarang berada di peringkat ke-6, Pak. Yap, itu dia. Dan AS Roma sudah bermain lagi. Dia memenangkan pertandingan sepertinya ya. Dan kita kalau menang kita akan tetap di peringkat ke-6. Bahaya sekali ya kita di peringkat sama peringkat sebelumnya ya. Jaraknya nggak terlalu jauh, Pak. Anjir, Juventus peringkat 10. Oke, untuk selanjutnya itulah PR kita masih banyak ya. Oke guys, sekian terima kasih dari saya. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Untuk pertandingan melawan Como FC akan saya lakukan atau saya mainkan di pertandingan selanjutnya ya, di episode selanjutnya. Goodbye.